Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the vlogs. It is 7:47 in the morning right now. You know the drill. We got our Nespresso coffee, my brown sugar shaken out espresso, and my lemon water. I've switched over from a mason jar to a Starbucks reusable cup because the mason jar kept leaking and getting my coaster soaking wet. It was just really annoying, and I don't know why I wasn't using this from the start. Kitty? I literally just heard her crying. Meow. She's at the door. What are you doing? It's because I locked her out. Oh my god. Say good morning. Okay, she's not into it. I have an exciting haul to show you guys in a little bit. I'm just going to get some work done. Yeah, might work out later, but I'm being real. I've only worked out once this week on Monday. Haven't worked out Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday because Tuesday I was super busy and didn't have time. Tuesday night I drank with my friends, so Wednesday morning wasn't happening, and that was yesterday, and then today's Thursday. So I do need to work out, just not right now because I have a lot of stuff to do. There's really not much to say right now, so I will talk to you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, it has been a few hours later. It is like 12:51 right now. I just got all my work done and I quickly took a body shower and did my hair, looking like an egg. But it is time to show you guys my picks from Ana Luisa. If you guys are new, I'm a brand ambassador for them, so I get to pick out a few pieces every few months to share with you guys. So this means you can always use my code taykruger10 for 10% off. It's always in the description box of all my videos. If you ever forget it, it's down there. They also have a huge sale going on their site right now, so there's truly no lack of good deal, and you should just go follow their Instagram or sign up for their newsletter because you'll be in the know of exclusive sales and new drops, etc. To shop these pieces, you can just click the link in my description box. Ana Luisa was created after the founders worked in the industry and didn't like the environment jewelry was being created in. Gold mining is one of the most toxic industries for the environment, causes erosion to the land, there can be harmful chemical leaks, it can completely alter ecosystems, to name a few. Sorry, tinsel is just plopping down on the blanket. So they made it their top priority to be a sustainable company, and they are absolutely killing it. They offset 100% of their carbon emissions, starting with the sourcing of the raw materials all the way down to the disposal of their pieces. All of their pieces have recycled gold in them. They also release their collections in small batches every Friday to ensure the highest quality production standards and also to eliminate waste, which is amazing. Majority of my jewelry collection is Ana Luisa, not just because I work with them all the time, but I've also purchased from their company so many times because I'm obsessed, and I just absolutely love that I don't have to sacrifice cute styles when shopping sustainable, because a lot of times it's hard to find trendy pieces from a sustainable company. So yeah, I just love that I don't have to sacrifice my personal style because all of their pieces are so trendy and so cute. They also have a no luxury markup, and all their pieces start from $39 ranging to higher ended pieces. So there's truly something for everybody, which is so nice because it's very inclusive in styles and in price. So yeah, make sure you click the link in my description box to shop these pieces. But now let's get into what I picked up. I'm so excited. So firstly, I just have a pair of earrings. So these are one of their newest huggy earrings, and I had to pick them up. They're so cute. So they have two different styles, the Bex Mini and Bex Small. I picked up the Mini. I wasn't sure how small they were going to be. I would say they're Bex Small. It's like the size of their regular huggies, for example, like what I have in now. So I picked up the Mini, and they are very mini, so just keep that in mind, but they're still so cute, and I'm just putting them in my third hole anyway, so the mini is probably the perfect size because it's like a little bit smaller. As you go up the ear, you can use smaller earrings, if that makes sense. Let me just take one of them out to show you. They're basically in the same snap huggy style as their regular and other huggies on their site. But what makes these really unique is on the outside of the huggy, there's this adorable beaded detail, 6 little beads, which is so cute. So it just adds a different texture. And I'm such a huggy girl. I can't really be bothered with studs. I find I don't really wear them that much. So I was super excited when they came out with this style, just because it's still in their classic huggy, but has a different texture, and I just think it's so cute. Let me actually put it in my 3rd hole right now, just so you guys can see what it looks like. I would say if you want to put these in your 1st hole or even 2nd, I would just get the small size, not the mini. But you guys can judge that based on what this looks like. So 1 second. Got it in. As you guys can see, she is super tiny, but also really cute and perfect if you're just putting it in your 3rd. But the mini is also perfect if you wanted to put it in like a cartilage piercing. Next up, I got a necklace. This is probably the cutest necklace I have ever seen in my life. It's called the Felicia necklace. Let me just take the cover off. Are you kidding? It's a like chunky gold flower necklace. Guys, we know like the very playful jewelry like this is very much trending right now. This is the perfect piece for summer. It's just so playful. I just love the packaging of everything. All of their packaging is 100% recyclable. This envelope is just to die for. So let me just take this off. There's also 3 different sizes for it to hook on, which is nice. So it's adjustable. Look how cute that is. And I love that they have such a wide variety of pieces. They have really chunky jewelry, they have thick curb chains, they have longer ones, chokers. There's so much variety, and because of that, you can stack all of your Ana Luisa pieces and they're gonna look so cute together. So that's all I have to show you guys for my haul. You can shop these pieces from the link in my description box. Thank you, Ana Luisa, for sponsoring this video. You guys are so good to me. I love you so much. And let's just get back into the vlog. Okay, I have another package to open up. You guys are probably living the dream right now. You love when I unbox stuff. I got the Realization Hercules. Hi, what's wrong? Hello, you are so cute. She's just staring at me. I got the Realization Par Hercules tee, and it was already extremely expensive for what it is. I think it was like $70 US, so it came out to like $100 Canadian, which is insane. Like that was already pushing it. I didn't really even want to spend that much on it, but it was just so cute. But then I got a duty for $40. That's why people don't understand. Sometimes shopping in Canada really fucks you over, because you don't know if you're going to get a duty, and in most cases, if it's international, like from Australia, there will always be a duty anywhere in Europe. It's insane. So people just really don't understand that. So I would say if you're from Canada, it is not worth it to get this top, because I can't believe I paid like $140 for it. It's literally a baby tee. You have definitely seen what I'm talking about. No, I get a cute little tote bag with it too. Okay, maybe it's worth it. Okay, see, it comes with a tote bag. That I can justify, maybe. So, no, this is Elton John. I didn't even know that. Elton John for Realization. She's so cute, right? I'm obsessed, but not worth the price. I didn't even know that it was Elton John. That actually just makes it so much better. But it's just the Hercules tee that you have definitely seen all over Instagram. Like pretty much everyone has it. I got it in a size extra small, and it's still pretty big. I definitely could have sized down to an extra small. Should I have done that? Whatever, but this is just like the cutest little baby tee for summer. I'm so excited to wear this. Maybe I'll actually wear it today. Guys, I have to show you this. My friend, she opened up her front door to see these packages.
Happy Thursday!
All from Aritzia. She's fucking crazy. That is incredible. That just honestly made my day. Okay, well, should I try it on for you guys? Let's try it on. Fuck, I didn't think this through. Okay, never mind. It's gonna mess up my hair, but you guys will see it in a haul or video very soon. I'm just very happy that it came with this, to be honest. That just really made the $40 duty worth it as much as possible. Okay, well, what now? Let me just turn this on. I can't tell if that's better or not. Today's gonna be a really productive day. I have a lot of stuff written down, but I'm almost done all of it, and it's only 1 o'clock. I have manifest, which I haven't done yet. Workout, which I haven't done yet. Maybe I'll do that later. Maybe I won't. Who knows? I have clean boxes. If you guys could only see, because you are now, but I have so many package boxes that I just need to sort through and get rid of. Refold crew necks. I don't know how they got so messy, but I need to fix them. They're not that bad, but I need to put that and just refold everything in there because it stresses me out when everything's messy. And then on my work day, I had to start vlog, emails, comments, export and upload a video, make a thumbnail, plan an integration, pick out some pieces, and plan content, which I have completely finished all of that today, which is awesome. So really, it's just the personal life stuff that I need to just get my shit together. Also, I have a few more things to write. Sleep guard. I've been told since I was very young that I grind my teeth in my sleep really bad from my dentist, and they've been telling me every single year to get a grind guard for night, and I've always put it off, but I decided to get one, so I need to mold it to my teeth like a hockey mouth guard. I've never played it, so I don't know like what it feels like to make it, but yeah, I don't know how that's gonna be when I sleep. It's probably gonna be horrible. So I need to form that to my teeth, but what should we do first? I think we should refold everything here because that is a pretty quick fix. It's hard for it to look good, but that's the best it's gonna get. So, can cross that off. Now let's deal with these boxes. What I need to do is just organize everything into recycling and garbage.
Then she met me at the college. Her friends play my songs and they've been following me. Yeah.
Okay, we got garbage, recycling. I'm gonna go put this in the garage. I don't think you guys need to come with me for that. Okay, besties, I am heading over to Joe's house right now, but I managed to get my t-shirt off without wrecking my hair, so I will show you guys what this top looks like on. Again, this is an extra small, and it's still like really loose, so I think it's meant to be like a little bit more of an oversized baby tee, which is still cute, just not really what I was expecting, but obviously still love it. But if you guys were interested in getting it, I'll have it linked down below, and if you want more of a baby tee fit, I would suggest sizing down. Like, I definitely could have worked with an extra small. Just have that on with my little garage joggers. It is pretty chilly out today. It's like windy, so I just want to be warmer on the bottom. Then I'm just going to throw on my New Balance 530s. And then I have my little Princess Polly bag, my Montague sunglasses, my Realization Par tote bag, which I just have all of my workout clothes in because we might go for a run, might not, we'll see what happens. Okay guys, I was just about to leave, but then there's a package at my front door, so I was like, hey, I'm just gonna come up and open it for you guys. So I asked you guys, why am I out of breath? I asked you guys on my Instagram any recommendations for your favorite shops that you found, and a few people said curated by Muse. I didn't know they're from Montreal, but I love that because I'm in Ontario, so I'll have their website linked down below. I literally ordered this like 2 days ago and it's already here. I was just not expecting that. Thank you, Taylor, for your order. Hope you like it. Enjoy. Aww. I'm so fucking excited. So I'm going to Jay's cottage over the weekend. I'm so excited to wear this. Are you kidding me? 24/7 on the side. Here's the deets up close. So nice, guys. It also came in blue and red, so I'll have this link down below, but I'm so excited. Literally just cleared the pile and another one is starting. I'll get rid of it later tonight. Okay guys, I am just outside of Jay's house right now, but I picked up my package from Maria because she ordered me stuff from Aritzia. That was like the Snapchat that I showed you guys. Literally the 6 packages, one of them was mine. Tay. I ordered the hat from Aritzia, like the straw hat. Are you kidding me? I can't put it on right now because of my hair. One thing that I'm already already noticing is there's like this little string contraption in here where you can adjust the hat to fit your head, which is fucking amazing because I have the smallest head in the world. I got an extra small / small. It will definitely fit with that, but I'm so excited. But I'm just gonna leave that in there, and we can go inside now. Don't ask me how I made it here, but I'm here.
When was the last time you ran?
Monday. Okay, hi guys, it is the next day. I completely did not vlog at all. That did not make sense. I did not vlog at all last night because I was hanging out with Joe. We went on a run and then we went grocery shopping because we're going to his cottage this weekend, and I just don't like shoving cameras in people's faces. So I didn't record anything, but I did come home and make cold brew after, and I molded that stupid night guard thing. Guys, I could not even sleep with it in last night. Look how thick this is. Like, it gave me raging anxiety. It's literally like a hockey mouth guard. Look how funny it is when I put it in. Imagine sleeping in that. I can't do it. It's not like those tiny plastic ones that you get when you had braces. Like, it is so thick and uncomfortable. So that's probably why the one from the dentist is $400, because it's actually comfortable. So that was a waste of $30. I have an update for the Ana Luisa earrings that I showed you guys earlier. I actually just moved it into this cartilage piercing because it's been over 2 months, so I can switch it out, and I think it looks so cute because it is a mini. It's the perfect size for cartilage or whatever. So I have 2 hoops on this side, and then I was gonna do a stud here, but I think this looks really cute. And then I'm just waiting for the tattoo piercing shops to open so that they can switch this one over for me because I'm way too scared. So I'll just show you guys what it looks like in there. So definitely make sure to click the link in my description box to shop the Ana Luisa pieces. I love you guys. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment. I love talking to you guys. And I will see you in a few days. Bye.